Boost your motivation with mindful living. Welcome to Motivational Inform. Are you struggling to stay motivated? Do life's distractions and challenges often drain your energy and focus? Today, we're diving into the power of mindful living, a simple but transformative approach that can help you boost your motivation, increase your focus, and achieve your goals with clarity. Let's get started. 1. The power of being present. One of the core principles of mindfulness is living in the present moment. Often our motivation is drained by regrets from the past or worries about the future. But what if we could channel all that energy into the now? When we focus on the present, we unlock clarity and calmness, making it easier to take action. Try this. Every morning, take 5 minutes to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. This simple practice grounds you in the present and sets a focused tone for the rest of your day. 2. Align your actions with purpose. Motivation thrives when we have a clear sense of purpose. Mindful living isn't just about being present, it's about living with intention. Every task, no matter how small, can become a meaningful step toward your goals when aligned with your purpose. Write down your top 3 goals. Each morning, ask yourself, what can I do today to move closer to these goals? By aligning your actions with your purpose, you'll find a renewed sense of motivation every day. 3. Cultivate gratitude for a positive mindset. Gratitude is a powerful motivator. When we focus on what we have rather than what we lack, we shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance. This shift not only lifts our spirits, but also fuels our motivation to keep moving forward. End your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a kind word from a friend or completing a small task. Gratitude fosters positivity, which naturally boosts your motivation. 4. Manage stress with mindfulness. Stress is one of the biggest obstacles to motivation. It clouds our focus and drains our energy. But mindfulness teaches us to acknowledge stress without letting it control us. By managing stress effectively, we can stay motivated and focused, even in tough situations. Try this. During stressful moments, pause and take a few deep breaths. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. This simple exercise calms your mind and helps you refocus. 5. Build resilience through self-compassion. Finally, motivation often fades when we're too hard on ourselves. We all face setbacks, but how we respond to them makes the difference. Practicing self-compassion helps us bounce back with resilience and renewed determination. Instead of criticizing yourself after a setback, treat yourself like you would a close friend. Offer words of encouragement and focus on the lessons you've learned. This mindset will keep you motivated and ready to face the next challenge. Mindful living is the key to unlocking your motivation and living a more focused, purposeful life. By staying present, aligning your actions with your goals, cultivating gratitude, managing stress, and practicing self-compassion, you can overcome any challenge and stay on the path to success. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Motivational Inform. Share this with someone who could use a motivation boost today. Stay mindful, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video.